oyster and wine pairing looked so tempting. Cavalli Estate, the building at least very minimalistic, industrialistic design, architecture. Reminds me a bit of Fondation Bayerle in Basel, but I wonder how that translates into the quality of the wines here. So this area was apparently built around 2015. At first there was only the wine tasting area and the restaurant was added later. And this seems to be a new trend, wineries mixed with a gallery. It's an interesting combination. That seems to be the trend in some countries at least. I like the architecture of this place, but as I've heard, the daughter of the owners here, by the way, are South African for a change, is into architecture or is an architect herself and helps design the building. They have changing exhibitions here and 2 rooms with private collections of the owners, and interesting what I found here. So there seem to be music fans. These are all signed by the members of the Stones, here by the members of U2. And this could even be a guitar of The Edge, who knows? Looks like it. All sorts of sports memorabilia. I did not expect to see this in a winery. As always, you just have to wander around, leave the beaten tracks anywhere in the world, and you're bound to discover interesting things. I was too late. This oyster and wine pairing looked so tempting. I saw this oyster and wine pairing with 2 nice ladies from Durban in South Africa who were visiting here, and I chatted with them, but they only serve it until 3 in the afternoon. And now we move on to the next winery. Unfortunately, There's drizzle now and wind, so I cannot even fly the drone to give you an aerial view of this place here, Cavalli, which I thought was interesting from the point of view of the architecture, the fact that they had an art gallery there. The restaurant looked also very tempting. I can understand why people come here only for the food. But now we move on to the next and final winery of the day. I did not sample any of the wines here, to be honest, so I cannot give you my personal view on the quality of the Cavalli wines.